Why being good at your job is no longer enough in 2026. Performance is now the baseline. Being good at your job is expected. It no longer differentiates you. The market is oversupplied with skill. More people have access to tools. More people can deliver outputs. Skill alone is becoming commoditized. What the market rewards beyond performance, the market now rewards impact, judgment, ownership, reliability. Value is measured by outcomes, not activity. Being busy is not the same as being valuable. Context and decision quality matter more. Those who understand the bigger picture make better trade-offs. Ownership creates trust. People who take responsibility get trusted with bigger problems. Visibility multiplies opportunity. Good work that isn't visible creates slower growth. Adaptability beats static skill. Those who adapt fast stay relevant longer. The new differentiator: being good at tasks is baseline. Being good at decisions, ownership, and outcomes is what moves careers forward.